Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Kia Sorento key fob. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press and hold this button firmly. As you hold it, gently pull the emergency key straight out from the top of the fob. This key is essential for the next step in accessing the internal components. It's a simple first step to get started. Now that the emergency key is out, you will see a small slot inside the opening. Take a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin. Insert the tip of your chosen tool into this slot. With a gentle but firm motion, twist the tool. This action will carefully pry apart the two halves of your key fob, revealing the internal battery compartment. Be careful not to force it. With the key fob open, you will see the small, round battery. Before removing it, take note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old coin cell battery. Most Kia Sorento key fobs use a CR2032 battery. Insert the new battery with the positive or plus side facing upwards, matching the orientation you observed earlier. This ensures proper function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, ensuring they fit together perfectly. Press them firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Then, slide the emergency key back into its slot until it locks into position. Once reassembled, test all the buttons on your key fob to confirm everything is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.